Today we have a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Police Surprise Mother at Door After Fight at Elementary School.
4th, 2025, officers responded to a residence for a call of a parent fighting with other parents during a school pickup.
Hello.
How you doing? Hey, I heard something happened over there.
Yeah, I got, they both jumped on me. The car they was in, the person who was driving, I was parked in front of the school. I always park right in front of the door to grab my kids and leave straight out. Every day is a routine. Yeah. I was hopping out anyways to get my kids. Right. I'm damn, somebody just tapped my car. I look at my car, look at his, I'm out. Okay, you good. It's the two that's in the car. They say that was an Uber or whatever. It's the two that's in the car. Them two, they hop out. They get in my face, woofing, woo out the bim. Bitch, you woo out the bim. You know, we arguing, whatever. They in my face, she spitting in my, like in my face, like.
Yeah, but hold on. You missing a whole lot now. How you go from picking up your kid to now you getting into a tussle? What words was said?
Woo out the bim. I said, all right, now I'm finna record you because I stay in this building and she stay in that building. So I manage her to the building. Oh, okay. I said, I'm gonna show him.
Why'd you want to show her?
Cause she in my face, and before I beat her ass, let me show everybody how this in my face. This her all in my face on my camera. Remind you, this my car. They on my car. This is my car. I'm finna beat her ass. This my car. They standing on my car in my face. I'm finna beat her.
Can I see it just from the beginning?
You see her out? You like we arguing. This her getting in my camera. You see me moving back?
Shut up.
I'm finna beat her. What? Go in the house. You call for here. I come. Okay, here I come, baby. I'm finna beat her. Like, she finna beat her ass. In my camera, on my car, in my face. I'm sorry.
So
I'm just raised because.
Let me ask some question. I know you're upset. I get it. There's a lot going on. She comes up to you and everything, right?
It's two of them. It's one of me.
So you
it's not just her. It's both of them. One in the back of me, one in the front of me. She throwing up this. And all that. And my camera. I pulled my camera out because I knew I was going to need proof before I whoop her ass.
So
you take me to court today. I did what I had to do.
Okay. So you hit her though?
We hit each other. She bumped me. She got in my face. They pushed me. I said, all right. I put my phone down and I squatted up.
You put it down because you were going to fight?
Yes, I did.
Did you take a video of the fight?
I just showed you a video.
That's the only video you have?
Yes, I got the video of them up in my face.
Okay. Did you talk to any of the school staff at all afterwards?
It wasn't no talking. We in a door, everybody arguing. It's commotion. All I'm saying is, you just jumped on me. I kept screaming, you just jumped in. Yeah. I felt you jumping on me. You just jumped in on me. And I'm going to get the video.
Okay. So
she jumped in on me.
Because she jumped in on you. Then
no, the other girl jumped in. So y'all ain't see two girls when y'all came?
We're just trying to understand.
Okay.
And then, so they...
I was fighting one girl.
Right.
Me and her was
How
fighting.
did that start?
And one of them started jumping on me.
What was the first interaction? I just want
The first interaction was they spitting in my face. So I said, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna beat your ass. Okay. What you mean? I'm getting in my space. It's nothing to talk. She got hit. She hit me. They spit in my face. They both in my face. They on my car. Y'all not about to get down on me. No,
Oh my gosh. So overly dramatic. Like, I get it. Say your piece. But the raising of the voice and the you know, the emotions and the like, come on, man. You got look at this officer right here, man. Look at this guy. Come on, look at this guy, man. Hold on. Look at this guy. You think this guy know what's going on, man? Look at my guy in the back, man. Come on, man. He don't know what's going on, man. He don't know what's going on. You know? So it's like, oh, wait, hold on. Let's get back to the other part. So, yeah, she just got to stop being dramatic because my guy back here, he completely lost, man. He don't know what's going on.
They both in my face. They on my car. Y'all not about to get down on me. No, y'all not. I'm sorry. I got kids up in here. I don't even got time. Y'all knocking on my door. That's like diabolical.
No,
I stepped there at the school. I was at the school. Okay. I waited.
Okay.
Y'all ain't pop up.
Yeah. So because they got in your face, that you felt like you needed
What
it.
you mean? I had to defend myself. I was threatened. They both was up on me. It was one of me.
Okay.
But they spitting in my, I'm talking about me, I'm talking in my face. I pulled the camera out the office manager because I know she stay in the other building. And
Besides, like, getting, we're not saying it's okay if they got in your face or anything like that. Who hit who first?
get up out of my house. Get from over my house. Take me to court.
I'm just trying to
Y'all just saying me. Y'all not letting me talk. Like, I'm keep telling.
At this point, you're under arrest.
Come on, sir. What? I got kids.
Not resist. You're going to be charged with that.
Okay, please.
Put your hands behind your back.
Y'all is fine.
Let me get you in cuffs. We'll talk further, okay?
Y'all just can't do it. Like, what the fuck?
All right. Hey, we're going to talk further, okay?
I got kids in this house.
Hey.
Bobby, my kids in there by
Turn
themselves.
around. I'm going to make sure they don't get too tight, okay?
This same little the girl who that they just put out, the mama, what's her name? Who they just put out for fighting all the time. What's the
I got someone coming to see you.
on the third floor? Oh, get my kids. Now, Robin, get my kids. Don't let them touch my house. They can't aim these shit. Don't go on my house.
We're not.
I'm making sure she's
Sorry.
gonna be okay.
Okay. Can your kids stay with your neighbor?
No, my kid, man.
Do you have a? I'm trying to help you out right now,
hold
okay?
me in custody. I ain't did shit.
We
Sir.
can. And I
You
don't
just
make
let
this
two
harder.
girls jump on me. Y'all not
Make
can't
this
go get
harder
the
than it
cameras.
has to be, okay? You have. I'm trying to help you with your kids. Is your neighbor gonna watch your kids, or is a family member gonna watch your kids?
How y'all
I'm
gonna put
concerned.
me in
Look.
handcuffs?
I'm concerned about your kids, and I hope you are too. Who's gonna watch them? Because today you are going to jail.
You know how they is.
Oh.
I'm picking up my kids. Just grab my kids, Robin, please. Grab my keys and everything.
Can you get her? Had a good time. Just for.
Do you want anything to go with you that we won't go into your unit, but your neighbor can grab it for you and bring it out for you? Shoes, a jacket, your phone.
Yeah. I'll stay here. I'm gonna stay here.
Don't touch me, sir. Let me walk.
Stay in here.
Don't touch. You already blocking me up. Come on.
We're not going anywhere. You need to listen, okay?
Y'all bogus. Y'all already
You're in custody, so you're gonna listen to us.
Okay, I'm in custody. Take me to custody. I ain't
stay
gotta
right
talk.
here.
Window and spread your feet. Would you just put them on? Do you have anything on you that you shouldn't have? Anything that'll sick hurt me?
Stand down. So I look like a criminal. Act like I'm one. Nah. Cause y'all ain't lock the other. Gonna let me right back out and you ain't gonna win that court. So it don't matter. I don't give a fuck. You already locked me up. For no reason.
Spread your feet, please.
Don't touch me.
I'm searching you and that.
Don't touch me.
Thank you. Just switch.
Lock me up for shit. Y'all got me fucked up. Them just jumped on me. Both of them.
If you'd like to speak further, we can read you Miranda and provide, ask you questions, but you're in custody right now, so
Just
we'll
take me to jail.
to speak with us further.
I ain't gotta talk to you. You already think I'm a criminal. Let's go. I'm black.
We're not going. Stay right here.
You can have your phone calls at the jail. It's gonna be with you.
Just let me get my phone, please,
No,
so
you're
I can
not.
tell my mom and my kids in here. Just let me tell my
Is
family.
that your mom? If it's her mom, get out.
Ooh, I swear to God.
Remember?
Y'all gonna make me spaz the fuck out. I'm trying. Let me go! Let me go!
You're gonna get charged.
Let me go, y'all touching me, acting like I'm a criminal, and they just jumped on me!
I want to give you a chance to relax, because I don't want you to get charged additionally.
Oh, these y'all bitches acting mean! Oh, get my phone! I think I know my phone! I don't know them! I gotta know myself! Call my mama!
Phone is gonna go with you.
Hold it.
I'll go crazy! I'm telling y'all, give me my phone!
Is your mom safe in here?
Give me my phone
I'm gonna hand
now!
it to you, but I will open it if you give consent to open it to find your mom's phone.
You know we got the Call My Mommy t-shirts down below, man. You might want to check it out, man. You know what I'm saying? You know I got to throw my little plug in there. You know what I mean? ShyGotEm merch, man.com, you know?
Phone number.
Ooh!
Try to help you. Do you want a phone call right now for your mom or no?
Jacket. Hold on.
Come on. Let's
We
go.
will leave when we say we're leaving. Okay?
You want to be tough
No,
so
I'm
bad.
not being tough,
I don't
but
know
you
who
can't
you
be
think I am, but I'm not that one.
You can't run all over the place. We're gonna stay here and we're
You're
trying
in
to help.
custody and you're in responsibility. So we're waiting for the transportation van because we don't want you out walking in this cold without shoes on right now.
You can get my phone from her.
Yeah, we got
I
it.
have it. It's going with you.
You'll see.
I will show you the.
Got it. Let me move a little bit.
The woman was charged with battery and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching today's video. If you haven't
Oh man, yeah. I mean, obviously, I don't know the full story, but if it was 2-on-1, I mean, shit, anybody gonna get down. I'm gonna get down. What y'all not about to, But obviously, we don't really know the full story. We just hearing her side, but we all know that there's 3 sides to every story, man. You got the right, you got the left, and then the truth is somewhere in the middle. You know what I mean? We know how that go. You got this side, that side, and they both gonna fabricate it to fit their story. So somewhere in the middle is actually what happened. That's how that go. But overall, the cops, they did their job, locked her up, tried to get her side of the story, but they already had their mind made up. It don't matter whatever she said. Whatever she said, their mind was made up that she was gonna get locked up before they even, before she even came outside. So it is what it is, man. But so I get officers a 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.